Can you tell me where I'm from? Can you tell me where I'm from?
Yeah, sure. You are from you are from my back here.
तुम लोग बोलोगे क्या? Well done.
Okay. My heart wants to tell you something.
Yeah.
Okay. Princess, if ugliness is a game, then I think you are the only winner. Because I saw your face in every morning. Whenever I see my ass in mirror.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Hello,
Hello, where are you from, princess?
we're from Paris.
Paris, the city of angels.
Thank you.
Yeah, and do you know why I call Paris the city of angels?
We don't know.
Because you guys live there. Two beautiful angels. Okay, I have something special for you.
Okay.
You know, princess, I'm not an artist, but I can say your beauty is no less than an art. And I promise I will take care of your smile until my last breath. If you give me the place of your husband in your beautiful heart.
This is sweet.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Soma.
Soma. You know, Soma is not a right name for you. Your name should be Heart Stealer. Now ask why?
Why?
Because you stole my heart. Okay. I have a question for you.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you want in a boy in order to become your boyfriend?
Personality
Uh-huh.
and funny. And you?
To be honest, I don't need to explain what I want in a girl. Because the only girl I want, it's you.
I hate.
Kya? Oh my god, you love me? Then I think we should go for a date, I guess.
When?
Tomorrow?
Okay.
Yeah, but where?
Moon.
Moon. Okay, I will take you to the moon. But for that you need to have a ride on my rocket.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
What's your name?
I don't have any name actually. I have an identity. And that is your boyfriend.
I'm your wife, not your girlfriend. Please.
यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. I'm not your boyfriend, I'm your husband. So my wife, don't you think that you should give your number to your husband?
प्यार प्रति नहीं.
My number. You want to add me on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay.
जलवा है हमारा.
कहाँ से हो भाई?
ब्रो मैं असम से हूँ.
असम से? अरे वाह यार, तुम तो स्वर्ग में रहते हो. असम बहुत सुंदर जगह यार.
मैं सिखाऊं तुम्हें असमीज.
असम बहुत सुंदर जगह है. बस एक ही गंदगी है वहाँ पे.
क्या?
तू. You know, your dad is the luckiest person because he have the most beautiful girl of this world as his daughter. But there is only one problem. And do you know what is the problem?
I don't know.
The problem is your beauty looks beautiful until you wash your makeup with water.
Well done. तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए. मजा आया. Hi.
Hello.
1 minute.
Huh?
I'm twins.
अरे तुम दोनों जुड़ गए हो?
Yes bro.
अरे वाह यार, कहाँ से हो?
West Bengal.
वेस्ट बंगाल. सही है भाई. अच्छा भाई, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि जैसे तुम दोनों जुड़ गए हो, तो अब मान लो कि तुम दोनों में से किसी एक का शादी पहले हो गया, ठीक है?
अच्छा।
अब तुम दोनों का शकल तो सेम है. अब सुहागरात के दिन तुम्हारी बीबी तुम्हारे भाई को तुम समझ के गलती से उसके साथ सुहागरात मना दिया तो क्या होगा?
अरे सब पूछते हैं. अरे कहीं का नहीं छोड़ते. कोई.
अच्छा भाई, मेरा और एक सवाल था भाई, लास्ट
हाँ, बोलो.
कि तुम दोनों जैसे दिखने में सेम हो, ठीक है?
अच्छा।
तुम्हारा हाइट भी काफी हद तक सेम होगा और बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर भी काफी हद तक सेम होगा, तो तुम दोनों का लुल्ली का साइज भी सेम है क्या?
अरे भाई.
अरे
अबे तू थोड़ा सा बहन का आ क्या?